Hello again. We are still doing length. We're still doing conversion of units of length. Okay. This time I want to talk about meter and centimeter. Okay. So I have a tape measure here. Let me pull this a bit up. I have a tape measure here. This time I'm not using ruler because it's difficult to take the whole ruler. Okay, so if you look at here, it is actually the same with the ruler. Centimeter. There. Okay. So what I want to show you is when it is become 1 meter. Okay. Not yet. There. Here. When it is 100 centimeter, it is 1 meter. So it's quite long actually. It's very long. 1 meter. Okay. If you have tape measure like this, you can hold from 0 to 100. And if you extend it, it is actually quite long. So that is 1 meter. So we use we use meter to measure things that are quite long, that are very long, or things that are very far, things that are very tall, or things that are very wide. And we use centimeter for things that are not too long, not too far, not too wide, or not too tall. For example, we use centimeter to measure the length of the book, the length of the table, or maybe the length of the skirt, the length of the dress. And we use meter to measure things that are long, very long. For example, the length of the wall, the length of the road, the length of the car garage. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so I've shown you just now when it is 100 centimeter. So I'm going to write it here. When it is 100 centimeter, it will become a meter or 1 meter. Okay. When it is 100 centimeter, it will become 1 meter. So you have learned in centimeter and millimeter. If you look at here, I show you 10 centimeter. I use my ruler. Okay, look. This is 10 centimeter. Why am I showing you 10 centimeter? Because if you have 10 centimeter, that will become 100 centimeter. Okay, so here, this 100 is 10 times 10 centimeter. If you have 10 centimeter, that is 100 centimeter, and it is also 1 meter. Okay, so I also can write like this: 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. I hope you can see the pattern here. So if I have 2 meters, that will become 200 centimeter, isn't it? Okay, I hope you can see the pattern. If I continue 3 meters, I will have 300 centimeters. There. Okay, that's the pattern. So now we're going we're going to convert units of length. This is for meter and centimeter. Okay. Now let's say I have, okay, let's look at the example. Let's say it is 6 meter. We're going to write this to centimeter. We're going to convert it to centimeter. So if you see the pattern here, if you have 1, it will become 100. If you have 2, that is 200. If you have 3, that is 300. So how actually becomes like this number? Easy. When meter change to centimeter, that will be multiply with 100. So you're going to show here 6 times 100 centimeter. You will get the answer 600 centimeter. So the answer here is 600 centimeter, isn't it? So this is the working that you need to show. Okay, yes, you can right away answer like this, 6 equals to 600 centimeter. But if you are asked to show the working, this is how you're going to show the working. 6 times 100 centimeter equals to 600 centimeter. Okay, now let's say I'm going to convert from centimeter to meter. Okay, I'm going to take the same number here, 600 centimeter, convert it into meter. I know many of you can see the patterns and you know the patterns very well, and you will say right away, oh, that is 6 meter. But if you are asked to show working, how are you going to do it? Now, if you look at here, from meter to centimeter, that is multiplication, isn't it? So from centimeter to meter, it should be the other way around. It means from centimeter to meter, that will be divide by 100. So you can show the long division, or you can use fraction. This is the working. 600 divide by 100. You have learned this in fraction. So what can we do? We do this. So the top only left 6 and the bottom only left 1. So 6 divided by 1 is 6. This is the working that you need to show. Okay, remember, this is the working that you need to show if you want to convert from centimeter to meter. So this is meter. Now, let me show you another example. Let's say the length is more than 600. I'm going to choose, how about 536 centimeter. We're going to convert this to meter and centimeter. Now, if you look at the pattern, if you look at the pattern here, 1 is 100, 2 is 200, 3 is 300, and so on. You should be able to separate this number. Let's separate 536. So let's separate this, 536. We're going to separate 500, and the extra is 36 centimeter. Now, if you notice here, the extra is less than 100 centimeter, because if it is more than 100 centimeter, that is already 1 meter, isn't it? Yes. So when we separate the number, make sure the extra is less than 100 centimeter. So you have learned about this. You have learned the pattern. 500 centimeter is 5 meter. So this is 5 meter, and the extra you just need to write, or you just copy it, 36 centimeter. So the answer here is 5 meter and 36 centimeter. Yes, easy, isn't it? Of course. Okay. Let's try one more. Let's say the measurement is 902 centimeter. Okay. Again, let's separate this. We can separate this 900 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Again, if you notice the extra here, it is less than 100. So the 100 should be here. So if you look at the pattern, if you study the pattern very well, you know that 900 is 9 meter. So this is 9 meter and the extra is 2 centimeter, just right next to it. 2 centimeter. So this is the answer. Easy, isn't it? I hope you can try on your own. Good luck and happy learning. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye.